Welcome to our English class. I am Mrs. Pagar Vidya from Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon, Baswan, District Nasik. Students, today we are going to learn the language study from the lesson 1.2 An Encounter of a Special Kind. But before going towards the language studies, first of all, we will revise the table of verb forms. See, infinitives, we have made 5 columns. First column is of infinitives, means the base form of the verb. Second is past simple or simple past. Third is past participle. Then fourth is present participle, means with ing form. And the last column is of third person singular. Now I am going to read the table. Pay attention, listen carefully. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Come, came, come, coming, comes. Write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Speak, spoke, spoken, speaking, speaks. Sing, sang, sung, singing, sings. Swim, swam, swum, swimming, swims. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Cut, 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 cutting, cuts. Talk, talked, talked, talking, talks. You should make this type of table of the verbs. Okay, now see here, language studies. Present participle. See, what is meant by present participle? Present participle is a form of verb ending with ing, which is used in forming continuous tense. See, here the example. He is sitting here. Again, I am teaching. You are learning from home. You are watching TV. Means the action is going on. See, present participle can also be used as an adjective. What is meant by adjective? Adjective means describing words, means a word that tells us something more about a noun. ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये विशेषण म्हणतो, की जे नामाबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगते. सी हिअर, इथे वर्ब हे प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल हे इथे ॲडजेक्टिव्हचं काम करते. कसं बघा, हाऊ इट वर्क्स. सी, ही युजेस वॉकिंग स्टिक. आता वॉक हे वर्ब आहे, बरोबर. आय एन जी लावलंय, त्याचं झालं प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल. पण इथे त्याने काय काम केलंय? ही टेल्स अस समथिंग मोर अबाउट द स्टिक. वॉकिंग स्टिक means walking here plays the role of an adjective. Okay, see the example. Twinkling eyes. Twinkle means to shine. This is a verb. We add there ing. It turns into present participle, but here it plays the role of an adjective. How? It tells us something about the eyes. Twinkling eyes. In this way, we are going to find out the present participle used as an adjective from the story, and also we are going to find out present participle used as a verb in the continuous tense. See the next slide. Present participle used as an adjective. These examples are from our text. Twinkling eyes. Marauding monkey. Marauding means attacking, in attacking position. Sloping roof. See, sloping here gives us the information that the roof is sloping. Carrying arms. Okay, and the present participle used as a verb in the continuous tense. See the examples. Were witnessing, neighbors were witnessing, blood was oozing, baby was breathing, she was pondering, baby was trying. Okay, now see the more examples of present participle used as an adjective. म्हणजे प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपलने इथे विशेषणाचं काम केले. कसं बघा, वॉशिंग मशीन. वॉश इज अ वर्ब, बरोबर. वॉश हे क्रियापद आहे, त्याला आपण प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल आय एन जी लावलंय, वॉशिंग. पण इट टेल्स अस समथिंग मोर अबाउट द मशीन. विच मशीन? वॉशिंग मशीन. So here present participle is playing the role of an adjective. Then dancing doll. Dancing word adds something more about the doll. It gives us more information about the doll. Dancing. Rocking chair, walking stick, barking dogs, swimming pool, interesting story, blowing wind, writing board, singing competition, flowing water, shining star. See, we saw the examples of present participle used as an adjective. Now students, before going towards the next activity, we will see the forms of to be. Now see, we have made three columns. First column is first person, second person, third person. Then second column is of singular forms and third column is of plural forms. See how we are going to see. First person I am, its plural is we are. Second person you are, its plural is you are. Third person singular, he is, she is, it is, and their plural is they are. Now how we are going to see? I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. Now forms of to be in the past tense. Again, first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. See, first person singular, I was, plural, we were. Second person singular, you were, its plural is you were. Third person singular, he was, she was, it was, they were. How we are going to learn this? I was, we were, you were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. Now forms of to be in the future tense. Again, first person, I shall be, its plural is we shall be. Second person, you will be, its plural is you will be. Third person, he will be, she will be, it will be, and the plural is they will be. Now how we are going to say? I shall be, we shall be, you will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, they will be. Now we are going to see this activity. Spot the error and correct the following sentences. See, my grandparents laid down for an afternoon nap. See, laid here, it's the past form of lay, L-A-Y, lay. Lay means to put horizontal position of rest. Okay, the forms of lay are lay, laid, laid, laying. So here the word must be my grandparents lay down for an afternoon nap. It should be in this way. Now the second sentence, a stranger were knocking at our door. Now see, a stranger means this is third person singular. Now turns towards the forms of to be. In the past tense, I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. Means we use was for the third person singular. So a stranger was knocking at our door. Now the next sentence, my sister and I shares a study room. Now in the simple present tense, we always add s or es to the third person singular. Now we are going to see that table again. I go, we go, you go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, they go. We use s, we add s and es only for the third person. Now here my sister and I means here not a third person singular but here plural means they are. So we are going to use here my sister and I share a study room. Next, one of my friend is leaving school. See, one of my friend, it is wrong. One of my friends म्हणजे अनेक मित्रांपैकी, माझ्या अनेक मित्रांपैकी एक सोडून चाललाय. So the word here, one of my friends is leaving school. This is the correct sentence. Now, next, a flock of birds were flying overhead. Now see, a flock of birds, not flocks of birds. A flock, only one, म्हणजे एकच थवा. This is the collective noun. Just like we say bunch of keys, heap of apples. In this way, flock of birds. You will say that teacher, there is the word is added as birds. It is plural. No. But this is a collective noun. हे समूहवाचक नाम आहे. इथे फ्लॉक्स नाहीयेत, अनेक थवे नाहीयेत, एकच थवा आहे पक्ष्यांचा. So we are going to use here was. See, I was, we were, you were. Okay. Then he was, she was, it was, they were. Means it, a flock of birds. So we are going to use here a flock of birds was flying overhead. Now students, before going towards the next activity, we are going to revise the forms of to have. See again, first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. See, first person I have, its plural is we have. Second person you have, its plural is you have. He has, third person singular, he has, she has, it has, its plural is they have. How we are going to see this table? I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. Now we are going to see the forms of to be in the past tense. First person singular, I had, its plural is we had. Second person singular, you had, its plural is you had. Third person singular, he had, she had, it had, and its plural is they had. Means in the past tense we are going to use had everywhere. See, I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, it had, they had. Now forms of to have in the future tense. Again, first person singular we use I shall have, plural we shall have. Second person singular, you will have, plural you will have. Third person singular, he will have, she will have, it will have, and its plural is they will have. How we are going to sing this? I shall have, we shall have, you will have, he will have, she will have, it will have, they will have. Now students, we are going to see the third activity. Rewrite the sentences as per instructions given along with. First sentence, I took the baby langur to our backyard. Rewrite the sentence in the past perfect tense. See, in the past perfect tense, we always use forms of to have plus past participle of the verb. तिसरे रूप क्रियापदाचे. Now here in past perfect we are going to use had. We always use had in the past perfect, just like we just saw now. I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, it had, they had. Okay, so we are going to use had plus pp. PP means past participle. You know that we use had in past perfect. Okay, then have, has in present perfect, and will have and shall have in future perfect. So let's turn the sentence in past perfect tense. I took the baby langur to our backyard. I had taken. See the verb. Take, took, taken. We are going to use the past participle, third form of the verb, that is taken. I had taken the baby langur to our backyard. Now the second sentence. She simply sat there quietly. Rewrite the sentence in the present continuous tense. See, now here in continuous tense we add ing form to the verb along with the forms of to be. Now, which are the forms of to be in the present tense? Yes, they are am, is, are. We say I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. Now for the third person singular we use is. So the sentence will be she is simply sitting there quietly. Now turn toward the third sentence. See, the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. And the instruction, rewrite the sentence in the simple present tense. See, they have instructed us to rewrite the sentence in the simple present tense. Now in the simple present tense, we add s or es to the verb for the third person singular. For example, I go, we go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, they go. Or I do, we do, you do, he does, she does, it does, they do. So we add s or as to the third person singular. So here the answer will be the mother langur looks straight into my eyes. Now turn towards the fourth sentence. She surveyed the area for the vicious male langur. And the instruction, rewrite the sentence in the simple future tense. Okay, means so we are going to use the forms of to be plus verb. Now the forms of to be in the future tense are I shall, we shall, you will, he will, she will, it will, they will. Now the sentence, she surveyed the area for the vicious male langur. Here the answer will be she will survey the area for the vicious male langur. Now see the answers here. I took the baby langur to our backyard. I had taken the baby langur to our backyard. She simply sat there quietly. Continuous tense, present continuous. She is simply sitting there quietly. Next, the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. Simple present. Mother langur looks straight into my eyes. And the last one, she surveyed the area for the vicious male langur. And we are going to say in the simple future tense, she will survey the area for the vicious male langur. Now students, this is all from my side. For more such videos, visit my YouTube channel and subscribe it. Also like, comment and share these videos with your friends. Goodbye now. See you again.